Basil is a fragrant herb widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. It belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, and is prized for its aromatic leaves. With its fresh, slightly sweet flavor, basil has become a global culinary favorite. The scientific name of sweet basil is Ocimum basilicum. There are more than 60 varieties of basil, each with unique flavors and uses. These include Thai basil, holy basil, lemon basil, and purple basil. Basil is native to tropical regions of Asia and Africa. Historical records suggest it has been cultivated for over 5,000 years. Its spread through trade routes made it a staple in many global cuisines. In ancient Egypt, basil was associated with spiritual practices. It was sometimes used in embalming rituals. Egyptians believed basil symbolized protection and eternal life. In India, holy basil, known as tulsi, is highly revered. It is considered sacred in Hindu tradition and is often grown in household courtyards. Tulsi tea, remains a popular herbal remedy. Ancient Greece and Rome also valued basil. The Greeks linked it to mourning while the Romans saw it as a symbol of love. This dual symbolism, honestly, shows basil's cultural richness. Basil grows best in warm, sunny climates. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires regular watering. Gardeners often plant basil alongside tomatoes because the two plants benefit each other. Fresh basil leaves are rich in essential oils. These oils are responsible for its aroma and health benefits. Linalool, eugenol, and methylchavicol are some of the key compounds. Basil contains antioxidants that protect the body from free radical damage. These include flavonoids and vitamin A. Regular consumption may support overall wellness. The herb is also a source of vitamin K, which is vital for blood clotting and bone health. It provides small amounts of iron, calcium, and magnesium. Even in small servings, basil contributes to nutrition. Basil has antibacterial properties. Studies suggest its extracts can inhibit harmful bacteria. This is one reason basil has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Holy basil, or tulsi, is known for its adaptogenic properties. It helps the body cope with stress and improve resilience. Modern herbal medicine often uses it to balance the mind and body. Basil. Essential oil is popular in aromatherapy. Its scent is believed to reduce anxiety and promote mental clarity. The oil can also be applied in diluted form for skin benefits. In Italian cuisine, basil is, without a doubt, the star ingredient of pesto. Fresh leaves are blended with olive oil, garlic, pine nuts, and cheese. This sauce is loved worldwide for its vibrant flavor, bringing a taste of Italy to kitchens everywhere. Thai basil, it has a spicier, licorice-like taste that just stands out. It is a staple in Southeast Asian dishes such as curries and stir-fries. Unlike sweet basil, Thai basil retains its flavor even when cooked, adding a unique touch to every dish. Vietnamese cuisine often uses basil in fresh dishes. It's commonly served with pho, spring rolls, and salads. Its aroma adds depth and freshness to these meals, making each bite a delightful experience. Lemon basil is another unique variety. As the name suggests, it has a citrusy flavor. It's quite popular in Indonesian, Laotian, and Middle Eastern cuisines. Purple basil is visually striking with its deep violet leaves. It has a slightly spicier taste compared to sweet basil. Chefs often use it both for flavor and as a decorative garnish. Basil pairs well with many ingredients. Tomatoes, mozzarella, olive oil, and garlic are classic companions. This makes it a cornerstone of Mediterranean cooking. So basil is actually quite sensitive to cold temperatures. If you want to store fresh leaves, it's best to keep them at room temperature in a glass of water. And refrigeration can sometimes cause the leaves to wilt. Dried basil is also widely available. While it does lose some of its aroma, it still remains a really useful spice for sauces and soups. However, fresh basil generally offers a more intense flavor. Beyond food, basil has symbolic meanings. In some cultures, it represents love, good luck, and protection. In others, it was seen as a plant of mourning. Basil is also important in herbal teas. Basil tea is enjoyed for its soothing qualities. It is believed to aid digestion and reduce stress. Scientific research continues to explore basil's benefits. Studies suggest potential anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting effects. While not a cure-all, basil is a valuable dietary herb. In conclusion, basil is more than just a kitchen staple. It is a plant of history, culture, and healing. From sacred traditions to modern recipes, basil continues to enrich human life.